In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide rows in Excel. If you've ever been scrolling through a worksheet and noticed the row numbers on the left jump, say from 13 straight to 15, that means at least one row in between is hidden. This can happen by accident, when someone intentionally hides data to simplify a view, or when a row's height is set too small to see. The good news is, bringing those rows back is quick and reliable. Start by locating the gap in the row numbers. That jump in numbering is your visual clue. Next, select the row headers directly above and below the missing section. To do that, click the gray row number for the row above the gap, then hold the Shift key and click the row number for the row below the gap. You should now see both of those rows highlighted at the same time, which tells Excel you're targeting everything in between as well. If you prefer, you can also click and drag across the row headers to make the same selection. The key is that your selection must include the rows on both sides of the hidden area. With those rows selected, right-click on the highlighted row headers to open the context menu. From there, choose Unhide. Excel immediately restores any rows that were hidden between the two selected rows. If more than one row was hidden, say a whole block from 14 to 20, they'll all reappear at once with this single action. If you don't see the Unhide option, double-check that your selection includes the rows above and below the gap. The command won't show if only a single row is selected, because Excel needs to know the span it should reveal. On a laptop trackpad, remember you can usually right-click with a two-finger tap. On a mouse, use the right-click button as usual. This works the same on both Windows and Mac, though the menu styling may look slightly different. After unhiding, take a quick look at the restored rows to make sure everything is readable. If any row looks unusually compressed, it may have a very small height. You can adjust it normally so your data is easy to see again, and that's all there is to it. Identify the missing row in the number list, select the rows above and below the gap, then right-click and choose Unhide. This simple technique works anywhere in your worksheet and brings back entire blocks of hidden rows in one go. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.